Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy, and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now let's start our discussion on page 271. Alright, so on this page we're already in lesson number 83. And the topic is reading activity 3. Okay, so let us go now to the teacher's language. We have here an overview of the teacher's language. Now let's start reading, starting from the first one. Okay, it says here, now it's your turn to read the text. Starting with this row, each person can read one sentence. You can begin. Read the first sentence. It's your turn. Read the next sentence, will you? You left out some words. And please read it again. Okay? So those are the teacher's language. Now to understand that, let's go to the dialogue part. So we have it here below. Okay, and the dialogue part starts with the teacher speaking. Now let's start reading. Now it's your turn to read the text. Starting with this row, each person can read one sentence. Sumin, you can begin. Read the first sentence. Now on to the next page. Here we have Sumin said, reads the first sentence, okay? Then the teacher said, good. Now, Dongho, it's your turn. Read the next sentence, will you? Okay, and then Dongho said, yes. Finishes reading. Then the teacher, you left out some words. Please read it again. Okay, and then Dongho reads it again. And finally, teacher said, excellent. Okay, so that's the dialogue part that we have for the reading activity 3. Now let's discuss the other expressions this time. Okay, we have the first one. Now it's your turn to read the text. Okay, if the teacher wants to say that in a question form, the teacher might say, why don't you read the text now? Or if it's in another statement, now it's time for you to read a text, okay? So that's just how it goes, very simple. Now number 2 we have here, starting with this row, each person can read one sentence. We have here another one, starting with this row. Let's read one sentence each. Or we'll start with this row. Everybody read one sentence. Okay, and the last one we have here, let's begin with this row. Everyone will read one sentence. Okay? Now let us go to number 3. We have here, you can begin. In a question form, it will go like this. Why don't you begin? Or, we'll begin with you. Okay, number 4 now. Read the first sentence. Another way of saying that is you can read the first sentence. Or in a question form, it will go like this. Can you read the first sentence? Or will you read the first sentence? And go ahead and read the first sentence. Okay? Number 5 we have here, it's your turn. You can also say, it's your turn now. Or it's your turn to read. Okay? Number 6 we have, you left out some words. The teacher could also use the sentence, you missed a couple of words. Or you omitted a few words. So left out, missed, and omitted, they mean the same thing. Okay? And number 7 we have here, please read it again. Try it again, okay? Let's hear it again. Or in another question, could you read it again? Okay, so that those are the other expressions that we could also use in the dialogue part that we've just read. Now here below, in this box, you can check out the Korean translation of the dialogue part if you did not understand some of the English words. Alright, now on to the next page. Okay, here on this page you can see an important note that you need to read about. So the topic is reading aloud and silent reading. So go ahead and read this note that is also very important, that has something to do with the topic or lesson that we've just discussed a while ago. Alright, so that would be all for our lesson for this video. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.